Digestive health is not just about fiber or probiotics. It's also deeply connected to the variety and quality of the protein you eat. The gut is home to trillions of microorganisms that thrive on diversity, and what you feed them determines how they function, repair tissue, and regulate inflammation. Protein is often discussed in terms of muscle growth or weight control, but few realize its impact on the microbiome, the vast ecosystem that affects digestion, mood, and immunity. Including a balance of both plant and animal proteins helps feed not only your own cells, but also the beneficial bacteria in your intestines. These microbes convert amino acids and other compounds from protein into signaling molecules that influence metabolism, hormone balance, and even brain chemistry. A narrow, repetitive diet can make this system weaker, while a varied, well-combined approach keeps it thriving and resilient. Different protein sources bring different nutrients and digestive effects. Beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh offer plant-based proteins rich in fiber and prebiotics, non-digestible carbohydrates that beneficial bacteria feed on. They also contain polyphenol and resistant starch, which act as gentle fuel for gut microbes, helping them produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate that keep the intestinal lining strong and reduce inflammation. On the other hand, animal proteins such as eggs, yogurt, and fish provide highly bioavailable amino acids that repair tissues, support enzyme function, and maintain lean mass. Yogurt in particular brings probiotic bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which directly enhance gut balance and improve digestion. The best results come from alternating between these sources, so your body receives a full spectrum of nutrients and your microbiome gets a variety of substrates to metabolize. A diet too limited in protein types, whether purely plant or purely animal, can create subtle imbalances in the gut environment. Over-reliance on one type of food encourages only a narrow group of bacteria to grow, while starving others that are essential for resilience and diversity. For instance, diets overly high in animal proteins without enough fiber may increase gut bacteria associated with inflammation, while diets too heavy in legumes without variety in amino acids might leave certain body functions undersupported. The warning here is not to follow extreme approaches. The gut thrives on moderation, not exclusion. A mix of yogurt or eggs in the morning, lentils or tofu for lunch, and a handful of nuts or seeds as snacks ensures your digestive system receives both nourishment and microbial stimulation throughout the day. Another warning is about how protein is prepared. Overcooked, fried, or heavily processed meats can introduce compounds that irritate the gut lining, while excess protein shakes or supplements can overwhelm digestion and alter the microbiome's delicate balance. Many commercial protein powders are loaded with artificial sweeteners, gums, and additives that may cause bloating, gas, or microbial imbalance. The digestive system works best with real food: beans simmered until tender, fresh eggs lightly cooked, yogurt without added sugar, and nuts that are raw or dry roasted. Cooking methods matter as much as the ingredients themselves. Gentle preparation preserves enzymes, amino acids, and natural probiotics that make digestion smoother and nutrient absorption more complete. The positive side of combining protein sources is that it creates a self-reinforcing cycle of health. When your gut bacteria are well-nourished, they improve digestion efficiency, enhance immune protection, and even help regulate weight. A diverse microbiome synthesizes vitamins like B12 and K, breaks down toxins, and supports neurotransmitter production. This is why people who eat mixed diets, rich in legumes, nuts, fish, eggs, and cultured dairy, often report better mood stability, fewer digestive complaints, and more consistent energy levels. Protein balance is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to improve gut resilience and long-term health. Practically, this means including small amounts of different proteins at various times rather than loading up on one type. Start your day with Greek yogurt or eggs, both easy to digest and rich in essential amino acids. At lunch, have beans, lentils, or tofu combined with colorful vegetables and a small portion of whole grains to support both protein and fiber intake. For dinner, consider a light fish dish, tempeh stir-fry, or a chickpea and seed salad. Throughout the day, snack on nuts or seeds to maintain a steady flow of nutrients. If you include animal proteins, balance them with plant foods high in fiber to keep the microbiome active and prevent digestive sluggishness. Hydration also plays a crucial role. Water helps process protein efficiently and supports the smooth movement of waste through the intestines. It's worth remembering that the gut is an adaptable ecosystem. When you introduce new proteins, do so gradually. For those not used to high-fiber plant proteins like lentils or beans, sudden large portions may cause gas or bloating. Start small and increase slowly as your gut bacteria adjust. Similarly, fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or tempeh can be powerful allies, but they should be introduced thoughtfully, especially if you're new to them. This patient approach allows your digestive system to expand its microbial diversity without distress. Over time, your body will respond with more efficient digestion, less inflammation, and better overall energy regulation. There's also a subtle emotional and cognitive link here. A balanced gut microbiome affects mood and concentration through the gut-brain axis, the biochemical communication between your digestive tract and nervous system. By supporting gut bacteria with diverse proteins, you indirectly support mental stability and clarity. When digestion runs smoothly, stress hormones are better regulated and serotonin production increases. So, eating varied protein is not only about physical nourishment, it's also about emotional balance and mental well-being. A good mindset to adopt is flexibility, rather than rigidity. The healthiest digestive system is one that regularly experiences variety and gentle challenge. Mixing plant and animal proteins, eating different colors and textures, and changing recipes from week to week keeps both the body and microbiome adaptable. A bean and spinach salad one day, an omelet with vegetables the next, and a bowl of yogurt topped with nuts and seeds another day. Each combination feeds your system in a unique way. Avoid falling into routine patterns that limit nutrient range. Instead, treat every meal as a chance to cultivate microbial diversity. Ultimately, protein variety is one of the quiet keys to long-term digestive health. It keeps the microbiome balanced, the gut lining strong, and the immune system alert. The warning is simple: monotony and overprocessing weaken your digestive ecosystem. The positive message is even simpler. By eating real, varied foods, beans, lentils, eggs, yogurt, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds, you create a thriving environment inside your body that supports every aspect of your health. Your digestion will become smoother, your energy steadier, and your overall vitality stronger, all through the steady rhythm of diverse, mindful nourishment.